Dear friends, in 9th standard, chapter 2, parallel lines. In this chapter, we prove a theorem of interior angle theorem. The theorem is known as interior angle theorem. Theorem, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, their interior angles on either side of the transversal are supplementary. To prove this theorem, we draw a figure, that is line L and line M. These lines we have given parallel to each other, and line N is transversal, which forms angle A and B either side of transversal line M are interior angles, as well as angle C and angle D. These two angles are one side of transversal. We have given that line L parallel to line M and line N is transversal. And in this figure, angle A and B are interior angle, as well as angle C and D are interior angles formed on one side of the transversal. We have to prove that angle A plus B is equal to 180, as well as angle C plus D is 180. For this proof, we have used indirect method. For these two angles, we have given three possibilities. First is angle A plus B is less than 180, or second possibility is angle A plus B is greater than 180, and last remaining third possibility is angle A plus B is 180. Let us assume that the first possibility, that angle A plus angle B is less than 180, it is true. Then the according Euclid's postulate, if two lines L and M are intersected each other, if one side, either side angles form, they are supplementary, then these two lines are parallel. But line L, M, N are parallel lines, so we can write as angle A plus B is less than 180. It is impossible. Now suppose that second possibility, that angle A plus B is greater than 180. There are four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. If we given as angle A plus angle D is equal to 180, why? It is linear pair angle, as well as angle C plus angle B is even 180. Why? It is linear pair angles. If we written as angle A plus angle D plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 plus 180 is equal to 360. Therefore, angle C plus D, either side angles, angle C plus D is written as is equal to 360 minus angle A plus angle B. If angle A plus B is greater than 180, then 360 minus angle A plus B is less than 180. Therefore, angle C plus D is less than 180. In this case, line L and M produced will intersect each other on the same side where angle C and D are situated. Therefore, angle C plus D is less than 180. It is impossible. That is angle A plus B is greater than 180. It is also impossible. Therefore, remaining possibility is angle A plus angle B is equal to 180, as well as angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. We can prove that by indirect method. Thank you.